Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel of Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. Get your dream job with these 12 resume building tips. Introduction. A well-crafted resume is a powerful tool that can open many opportunities. It serves as a first impression for potential employers. Creating a standout resume may feel like a daunting task. However, with the right guidance, you can create a compelling resume. Here are some of my tips to help you get started. Conduct research. Go beyond the job scope and explore the company. Understanding their values will help you add relevant information to your resume. Customize templates. While there are many templates available on the internet, choose one that suits your taste and customize it with appropriate fonts and colors. Avoid someone's work, instead, create original content. Begin with a cover letter. Introduce yourself to the employer by writing a compelling cover letter. Tailor each cover letter to the specific job, highlighting important information such as your experience and goals. Use relevant keywords. Use words and phrases related to the job description to shape your resume. This shows the employer that you understand the job requirements and expectations. Highlight your education. As a student or an experienced professional, your education is a vital component of your resume. Include your institute name, anticipated graduation date or the completion date, degree or program, and any relevant coursework or academic projects. Also, mention any certificates or specialized trainings you have obtained. Emphasize skills and experiences. Prioritize skills and experiences that directly apply to the job you are applying for. Including relevant experiences showcases your abilities and qualifications for a particular job. Focus on transferable skills. Highlight both technical and soft skills. Technical skills like software proficiency, language proficiency, and soft skills like communication, teamwork, and problem solving gained through various experiences. Demonstrate extracurricular involvement. Include participations in clubs, sports teams, community service, or leadership roles to showcase your interest, passion, time management skills, and ability to take initiative and contribute to your community. Be concise and well structured. Keep your resume concise and well structured. Employers often review a large number of resumes, so ensure that your achievements, skills, and qualifications are easily understood at a glance. Create a smooth flow of content. Proofread and edit. Thoroughly proofread your resume to eliminate errors and ensure consistency in format, font sizes, and punctuations. Seek honest feedbacks from a trusted individual, a mentor, or a career advisor, and be open to making changes. Update your online presence. Align your resume with your online presence. Review your social media profiles and ensure they present a professional image. Update your LinkedIn profile with relevant skills and a comprehensive summary. Include your up-to-date full name, phone number, and email address. Address your application correctly. Address your application to the specific person concerned in the organization or the HR team. Congratulations, you got your dream job. I hope you enjoyed this video and the information was useful to you. As we wrap up this incredible journey together, remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Keep listening to other such videos of profound insights and the Career Conversations Navigating Success playlist. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching the stars. Thank you.